hanging and you never told us?
Alright you guys, so for today's tutorial I'm going to be using this POLYGEL kit by Makartt, and this POLYGEL kit is called Love Yourself. So I will definitely have it linked down below, as well as a coupon code you can use to get 15% off of your order. So this is what comes inside the kit. There are 4 different colors, and I used this one right here, which is this super milky purple color. And then there's a pink color, a nude color, and a clear. Then it also comes with a base coat and a top coat and a nail file. And underneath there are the dual forms. I did not use these because I'm just doing an overlay, but you definitely have the option to use those as well. And then also it comes with this tool that has a brush on one end and a spatula on the other. So to get started, I'm just taking this piece of the nail clippers, that piece that's in the middle of all nail clippers, and I'm just kind of scratching around my cuticle area to get up any of that dead skin. You do not want to leave dead skin on your nails because then the polish and the polygel will not stick as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up that area, and once I have lifted that dead skin, I'm going to go in with a nail file and just file it off and make sure that I don't leave anything behind. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with a base coat, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to go ahead and paint both of my nails with this base coat, and then I'm going to cure it under my lamp for 1.5 minutes. The lamp is done, or once the timer's up and your nail's nice and cured, this is what it's gonna look like. Super cute and shiny. Like, I would keep it like this, honestly. But now I'm just taking some alcohol and my polygel. This is the color 944. It's that light purple color. Then I am going to just go ahead and squeeze a dot out into the middle of my nail bed, and then I'm going to drag it down towards the tip and just kind of swipe it off like that. So as you can see, it's already pretty much in the shape of a nail. It's round at the top, square at the bottom, so you know we're looking good. So again, taking this alcohol, I'm just going to dip that brush in there, and I'm going to start to pat the polygel down. So just take your time with this. You're essentially just spreading that bead out all around your nail, and I like to make sure I'm getting it nice and close to the cuticle, and then I drag it up towards the tip of the nail. Sometimes I do put too much, so you'll see a little bit later in the video that I just kind of cut it off of the end of the nail if I use too much. And you can definitely drag some down like this. You can adjust your brush and the way you're brushing to whatever's comfortable to you. But essentially, you just want to spread out that polygel all along your nail. Also, if you're unsure, the alcohol just helps to apply and spread out the polygel easier, because the polygel is super sticky. So if it starts to get sticky, you just dip your brush in and start to smooth it out again. Okay, so now that I have the polygel formed to my nail the way that I like, this is what it's looking like. And I'm just cleaning up around the sides to make sure there's no excess polygel on my skin. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna just go ahead and cure it under the light for 1.5 minutes. Alright, so now that it is nice and cured, this is what it looks like. It already looks good, but we're not done quite yet. I don't know if I really need to do this, but I've just always done it. I'm gonna go ahead and dip some paper towel in that alcohol and just wipe it off. Wipe my nails off so there's nothing sticky or anything. And then I'm gonna dry it, and this is what it looks like. And then you wanna go ahead and just file your nails to your liking. And I really didn't have to do much, which was nice. And so I'm just brushing that dust off from the filing. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my top coat, paint one coat over it, and cure the nail. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you love them as much as I do. Again, if you're interested in any Makartt products, feel free to click the link down below and use my code REESE15 for 15% off of your order. And I also did do polygel on my toes for the first time, and I love the way it came out. So if you guys are interested in a video on how I did this, definitely let me know down below and I will have that for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.